Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to basically add the chapters to a YouTube video. So you have the automatic way and you have the manual way. The automatic way, you can just go ahead and click the three balls at the top left, and then you're gonna just go ahead and click your videos right here. It's gonna open up a new window for you to see the YouTube studio. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here to the exact video and click the details right here, or the pencil icon, and it will direct you to the the video itself, right? Scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down and click right here, show more. Scroll a little bit down, and here you're gonna see the automatic chapters. For this specific video, you could just go ahead and toggle this one on, allow automatic chapters at key moments. And if you wanted to apply it to all videos, just go ahead and click on the settings. Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here to the upload default, and you're gonna see right here advanced settings, and make sure that you allow automatic chapters for all videos from now on. All right, there's the second way, the manual way, and in which you gotta do basically add timestamps. You're gonna just type right here a 1 minute. Let's say, for example, 1 minute. Let me type right here 1 minute, and then I'm gonna type right here like 25 seconds, right? And I'm gonna just type right here outro, for example, right? And then hit save right here and put the timestamps for each part of that video. And basically once you get back to your videos, you're gonna be able to see in your videos there is a chapters in which the audience will know how or when the part that is important to them to see. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.